Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some DIY desk decor ideas. These turned out super cute and very aesthetically pleasing, if I do say so myself. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be amazing. Also, be sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. My username is allthingsnim. And with that all being said now, let's get started with today's video. For the first DIY, I'm going to be making a super cute trinket box. The first thing you're going to need for this is an empty container. I'm using this hair mask container that I have. You can use any kind of container, it really doesn't matter. I'm going to paint the container using some green acrylic paint. You will need to do about 2 to 3 coats of the paint depending on the original color of your container. Make sure that you let each layer dry before you move on to the next. Next, I'm going to paint on some flowers, so I did white, pink, and purple. To seal in the paint, go ahead and apply a layer of glaze. You can also use Mod Podge. For now, I'm going to set this aside and start working on the little picnic scene that I'm going to be making using polymer clay. So using polymer clay, I'm going to be making the different elements. Like I said, this is going to be a picnic scene. When I started out, I had a lot of different ideas, but in the end, I decided to make a whole like chick and puppy that are on a picnic scene. So we're going to be making all of the different things. So I made a chick, a puppy, a picnic basket with like some strawberries in it. I also made some fake cupcakes, and then I also made like a jelly bottle and then a like slice of toast. Honestly, when I started making this, I had so many ideas and I kind of had to cut down some ideas because the top of the container is kind of small. But yeah, there's like so many different things that you can make. So yeah, the options here are endless. If you don't want to make a picnic scene, you could also make like a little campfire situation, or you could make like a little boat. Honestly, I had a lot of ideas. Maybe in the future I will make something different. I mean, you guys can let me know if you would like to see that. Also, I get this question a lot on what polymer clay I use. So I use Sculpey 3. It's the polymer clay that I started out with, and the reason why I like it so much is because it's very easy to use. I do use other brands of clay as well. I will say that they are not beginner friendly. So if you're starting out with polymer clay, definitely check out Sculpey 3. You can easily get it at Michael's or even on Amazon. The thing that I like about Sculpey 3 is that they do also have variety packs, so you can get like a bunch of different colors in one box. When I started using polymer clay, I was kind of like overwhelmed with like the amount of things that you kind of need. So getting a variety pack was a nice option, so I didn't have to get everything like individually, and then it just seems like too much work. So yeah, I use Sculpey 3. If you have any like other brands of polymer clay that you like, let me know and I can try it out. So I've made everything that I needed to make using polymer clay. The next thing I'm going to need for this picnic is a picnic blanket. So I have some white fabric here and I'm just going to paint on this like checkered pattern using some paint. Now is the time to put everything together. So here I have my container and I'm going to take some super glue and glue everything in place. And here is the trinket box all completed. This is by far one of my most favorite DIYs I've made. Like, it was just an empty hair mask container that I've turned into this beautiful trinket. So I love the way it turned out. It looks so cute. For the second DIY, I'm going to be making a bear planter. For this, I am using air dry clay that I got from the dollar store. You can also get air dry clay from Amazon or from Michael's. So I took a ball of clay and using my thumb, I am going to start shaping it out. Honestly, I'm not that great at explaining this. You can pretty much see what I'm doing. It's very simple and easy. You just gotta be patient when you are shaping it. Next, I'm going to make the ears. So I made this oval shape that I'm going to cut in half and we're gonna pop it onto the head and blend it out. I'm going to cut a little hole at the bottom here for drainage, and once you're happy with everything, you want to let this air dry. It took 3 days for this to air dry. Make sure that you let it dry completely, because if you start painting it and it's still like damp, the clay will start to crack. Once it was completely dried, I went in with some acrylic paint and I'm going to start painting this. So I decided to make the bear pink. You can of course do any color that you like. I'm going to paint the inside with some white, and then finally I'm going to draw on the face with some black acrylic paint. To seal in the paint and to give this a nice glossy look, I'm going to apply a layer of glaze. And here is the bear planter all completed. It turned out so adorable. I love the way it looks on my desk. For the third and final DIY, I'm going to be making a koala coaster. For this, I will be using air dry clay again. You can also use polymer clay for this if you would like. So I'm going to go ahead and roll out the clay and cut it into a circle. Now you want to let this air dry. So this one took 1 day to dry completely because it is smaller and like thinner in size. So once it was completely dry, I went in with some acrylic paint and I'm going to paint the coaster purple, and then we're going to paint a koala on top. You can do any design that you like. Again, the options here are endless. Again, once you're happy with the design, you want to seal in the paint with a layer of glaze. You can also use Mod Podge or resin for this. And here is the coaster all completed. And that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun making this for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next one.